guys, so today is a super exciting video. I have some new products that I'm sure you guys have been seeing and reading about and watching videos about. I have the new Fenty skin products here and I'm so excited to go ahead and do a first look for you guys and a trial right here. I have all the products. I haven't opened them. I haven't tested them out or tried them yet, so this is kind of going to be a first impressions and an unboxing, and I'm going to do it right here with you guys, so make sure you keep on watching. All right, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload, so you know what I got going on here on the channel, because I got a lot of good stuff coming for you guys and I don't want you to miss out. All right, you guys, so today I do have a nice bowl of hot water. I also have a washcloth here with me. I went ahead and got all three of the new Fenty Skin products. I have the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor. I have the Fenty Skin Fat Water, and I also have the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. So I really like the packaging, you guys. I didn't realize I picked a gray washcloth as well. The packaging is like a really pretty purplish, cool gray sort of shade. I really love the color of the packaging. It's very like soothing and it feels really relaxing. I also love the color of this fat water. It has like a nice pale pinkish, pale peach sort of shade. Also on the inside, you can see that it has the FS Fenty Skin inside behind the label. So it's really nice and you get a good amount of product in here. It's 150 mLs, which is 5 fluid ounces. And this is the Fat Water, the Pore Refining Toner Serum. So this one says it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping the skin. So let's see, directions. You can use this daily, in the day and at night on clean skin. Apply all over the face with fingers. So we're definitely going to get into this toner. I currently use a toner every single day. I never miss a day with my toner. I use the It Works toner. I was using their cleanser for a while, but the cleanser runs out a lot faster and I don't know anyone that's still selling It Works, but I have a lot of the toner left. So I've been using this and my skin has been looking pretty good. So I'll be really excited to see if this one works as well as the It Works, because I have a feeling the It Works stuff is probably like fading away. That craze is kind of died down. So I want to use something that is gonna last and I'll be able to order over and over again, which I'm pretty sure Fenty isn't going anywhere. The other product is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. This removes it all. It's a hyper clean, to have hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying. I love that these products are like all about being clean and not stripping the skin, because I do like to have a certain level of moisture in my skin. Daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Excuse me ma'am. So this is a cleanser and a makeup remover in one step. That's a pretty heavy claim. For girls like me who wear a full glam face of makeup, to have one step, to not have to clean my face, clean the makeup off my face, then clean my face, that's a pretty heavy claim. I don't have any makeup on because I figured this was just a regular cleanser, but I'm definitely gonna have to try this as a makeup remover. I'm very skeptical of that, to be honest. That's a huge claim, to be a makeup remover and a cleanser in one. I'm very curious, very, very curious. And then lastly, we have the Hydra Visor. The Hydra Visor is an invisible moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So anything with sunscreen I've found usually has a grayish tint that it leaves on my skin in particular, and melanin skin, that you usually can see when someone who has more melanin in their skin is wearing a sunscreen. The only sunscreen that I've used in my life that doesn't leave that residue that looks like sunscreen is the company called Black Girl Sunscreen, and I have some of that in the cabinet, and I love Black Girl Sunscreen. It does not leave that residue color of sunscreen that usually happens from melanin girls. So I swear by that one. So we'll see if this one can compete. So Rihanna's got a little bit of like stuff she's got to really like, we got to figure out if all these claims are accurate. Okay, invisible moisturizer and SPF sunscreen. Use every single day, no excuses. Apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. Okay, so directions for external use only. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. All right, so this is the refill. It's got a nice little pump and it has the FS embossed at the top. I love the packaging. I love the colors. I love everything about it. So looks like we just, I don't know what's going on down here. I'm not sure what this is gonna do, but I think this twisting motion does something. Remove refill for product information. Okay, yeah. So I think this twists for some reason. I'm not sure why. And then you just literally insert this in. Oh, it twists so that you can pump it up. Okay, so when it's down, you can't get any product out. So you're not gonna waste any product. And then when it's up, you get the product out. So let's see what this product is all about. I'm super excited. So clearly we're gonna start with the cleanser. My face isn't dirty, but again, I'm about to do my makeup for my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do Fenty skin first and then do a full Fenty face. And then I'm going to do a review on these illusion crochets that I did several days ago that are looking pretty bomb, if I do say so myself. So stay tuned for all of that. I'm going to go ahead and pop open this cleanser. Oh, okay, look at this. So this is where the cleanser is gonna come out of. You twist it and it opens, and I guess you just get the cleanser out like that. Okay, I like this packaging. This is something different and new. Like all these interesting ways of getting to your product. I like this. This is cool. The only thing that makes me a little nervous is now I want to put this down like this. But that's where the product comes out of. So I almost feel like I want to put it on a paper towel or something because that's where the product comes out of. But I guess if it's in the shower, because more than likely I wouldn't have this on my vanity. If it's in the shower, it won't make a difference because it won't be on a surface. I would just put this in my shower caddy. So for now, I'm just going to put it inside of here because I don't want that touching. My vanity is not clean. There's makeup all over it. So I'm going to rub this in and apply this cleanser to my face. It feels really velvety, like super velvety. I'm gonna wet my hand a little bit. I dip my hand in a little bit of the water. It feels really, really rich and velvety. It has a nice smell to it too. It's just clean. It's like a very clean smell. It's not like fragrant. I'm gonna dip my hand in a little bit more water and get a lather going here. And my hands are definitely clean. This feels and smells amazing. Grab my bonnet. I'm gonna throw my GLEEmade bonnet on. If you'd like to get one of these GLEEmade bonnets, they are on sale on my website, GLEEmade.com. I also sell Ankara bonnets that are silk lined on the inside, and they're handmade by me. I can show you guys some of the ones that I offer. They're really, really pretty. This feels so good. I just want to keep washing my face. And it's not super fragrant, but it just has a nice, clean smell, and it just feels so velvety. I've been using an exfoliating type of cleanser, and I've been using it pretty much every day, but I can tell like my skin is craving something a little less like stubbly, and it's just craving something really smooth and velvety like this. It feels so good. I know I'm not supposed to be using an exfoliating cleanser every day, but I do, because it's the one that I leave in my shower. So now I think I'm just gonna leave this one in my shower so that I can exfoliate like once a week and not every single day. This feels so good. All right, I am going to dip my washcloth into here and just rinse this off. And try not to make a mess. This feels great. Wow. That was amazing. If I do say so myself. So I guess the next step will be the fat water, which is the toner. Please guys, don't judge my nails. We're still in quarantine. Earth Conscious Clean. I like that. Earth Conscious Clean. Love it. So you take this little label off, and I'm guessing this is the same type of dispenser as the other one. You take that little label off, and then you probably just turn it upside down again, and that is how your product comes out. So I don't know how much to use because I typically use a spray toner. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Because I usually, like I said, I usually use a spray toner. Now, this toner, I feel like doesn't have the same sort of concerns as I have with the, this feels good too. No, this one doesn't really have any fragrance at all. This one just feels really good. Like I said, I usually use a spray toner, which can be a little like jarring when you have to like spray your face. I think I like the concept of rubbing in a toner as opposed to spraying it. Like I said, I love that toner, and you see how my skin is really doing well with it. But it is a little jarring to spray it on. I'm gonna use a little more. And then what I love about this one is you turn it upside down and you can sit it this way. So this one will definitely more than likely live on my vanity because it doesn't have to sit upside down like the other one does. I love this. Should we zoom in? Let's zoom in. This is awesome. Okay, Rihanna, I see you, girl. I know I'm late. You guys probably have already bought yours, tried it out, but I did want to do this video for you guys. I'm gonna do my neck as well. This feels amazing. This is definitely like self-care, pamper yourself, but it's also affordable enough that you can do it every day. All right, so that's the fat water toner. How do I look? Do I look better? Do I look instantly and visibly changed? That's what Rihanna said was gonna happen. All right, so again, we're gonna twist this bad boy up. Oh, it's not doing it. It was doing it before. Okay. So we're gonna twist it up and pump some out. Hello, pump. What's happening here? Is there a stopper somewhere? Oh, there we go. Okay, not crazy about that. So clearly you're gonna have to pump it like that, because I just lost some product going down in there. But okay, cute. Let's see. Oh, it feels really nice. It's like a nice thick consistency, but not like super thick, but it definitely like holds its own. I like that. I thought it was gonna be more like a lotion, but no, this has a great texture and consistency to it. Oh, wow. So going on, it definitely does feel like sunscreen. More so than moisturizer, it feels like sunscreen. And clearly I've used too much. That right there was probably enough for my entire face. Yeah, but this is definitely sunscreen, I would say. More so than just like a moisturizer for your skin. The focus here is definitely sunscreen because it feels like it. I have other moisturizers that the focus is not as much sunscreen and it doesn't have this same sort of like texture. And I also have her primer. I have the FENTY primer, which you can also use as a moisturizer, and it definitely has a different texture. So don't feel like, oh, well, I have the primer and I use it as a moisturizer. This is definitely different. This is for the beach babes, the beach bums that want to do like a very light face, but still want protection from the sun. This is the perfect summer product. I wish this had come out sooner in the summer, because I would have been using this literally daily. But I've been quarantining, so I haven't really been going out anyway in the sun. This is the most untanned summer I've ever experienced in my life. I haven't even been tan, not once all summer, because I haven't even been outside. It's daggone Corona. So I still have more, guys. Do not use as much as I used. That's way too much. You don't need it. But since it's a sunscreen, I'm gonna go ahead and just hit those problem areas that the sun likes to attack. Oh my gosh, I feel like my skin is literally glowing. That is so insane. Like, I feel like I don't even really need makeup. I feel like I could put on, should I do something super simple and just show you what I would do for a full face? Because I feel like my skin looks crazy good right now. What is this product? Like, I feel like my skin looks amazing right now. Like, wow. I don't wear makeup every single day. So on days where I don't wear makeup, I just don't wear makeup. But like, since I'm about to record, I think I'm going to show you guys sort of a bare-faced, barely there makeup look that I would feel comfortable even recording in after using these products. So definitely stay tuned for that.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you